Under the influence of Cyclone Montha, heavy rain and strong winds are lashing the southern Indian states of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The storm is expected to make landfall along with the Andhra coast this evening, with wind speeds reaching up to 110 kilometers per hour. Authorities have issued a red alert in 16 districts of Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu has instructed officials to move residents from the coastal areas to safer shelters. Meanwhile, a red alert has also been declared in 8 southern districts of Odisha.